Listen to me now. I am speaking clearly, not by accident. You found this today. You feel lost. You feel unseen. You feel forgotten. But I see you. I saw your tears. I heard silent prayers. I watched your struggle. I know your pain. You asked for sign. This is it. You begged for change. It is coming. Do not scroll. This is personal. This is urgent. This is destiny. You are not weak. You are becoming. You are transforming. You are rising. The pain shaped you. The silence built you. The betrayal trained you. The delay prepared you. They misunderstood you. They doubted your worth. They mocked your dreams. They walked away. Let them go. Release the hurt. Drop the anger. Trust my timing. You will soon. Walk differently. Speak boldly. Stand fearless. Confidence will glow. Peace will settle. Clarity will come. Doors will open. Money will flow. Opportunities appear. Right people arrive. Wrong ones leave. You will smile. Without pretending. Without forcing. Without hiding. This version coming is unrecognizable. Stronger than ever. Calmer than ever. No more begging. No more chasing. No more proving. No more shrinking. You will attract, not convince. You will lead, not follow. The anxiety fading. The confusion clearing. The heaviness lifting. The darkness breaking. You prayed secretly. I answered quietly. You waited patiently. I moved strategically. Every delay mattered. Every rejection redirected. Every heartbreak protected. Every loss positioned. You thought finished. I said beginning. You thought punishment. I said preparation. Your glow up will shock them. Your peace will confuse them. They will ask, what happened? You will smile and say nothing because you know who carried you, who guided you, who protected you. This next season is overflow, is abundance, is restoration, not small blessings, but big miracles, not tiny shifts, but major breakthroughs. You will wake with gratitude, with energy, with purpose. Fear will leave. Doubt will fade. Faith will grow. Strength multiply. You are chosen, not random, not forgotten, not ordinary. You are different. That is blessing. That is power. That is destiny. Stop comparing. Stop shrinking. Stop apologizing. Stop overthinking. You are becoming everything you asked, everything you dreamed, everything you deserve. Stay humble. Stay faithful. Stay consistent. Stay grateful. I am working behind scenes, in silence, in details. What you see is small part. What I plan is massive. This is confirmation. This is alignment. This is breakthrough. This is shift. Comment, I believe. Claim this promise. Receive this word. Accept this change. like this message. If you feel the shift starting, the energy rising, subscribe now. More is coming. More guidance. More miracles. Part 2 will reveal what happens next. Prepare yourself. Stay with me. Do not doubt. I am moving. Even now, what comes next will stretch you, will test you, will elevate you. Pressure increasing, but so strength. Responsibility growing, but so favor. You asked higher, so I lift. You asked bigger, so I expand. Old mindset breaking, new mindset forming. Old fears dying, new courage rising. You will think you are overwhelmed, but you are being upgraded. Your circle changing, your habits shifting, your focus sharpening, your standards rising. No more settling, no more excuses, no more distractions, no more delays. I am removing hidden enemies, silent jealousy, fake support, not to hurt, but protect, not to punish, but position. The isolation season was not lonely. It was training. It was building. While they left, you were learning. While they doubted, you were growing. Soon they notice your discipline, your glow, your results. But remember this, stay grounded, stay kind, stay wise. Success coming fast, opportunities multiplying, influence expanding, impact increasing. You will inspire without trying. Lead naturally. Speak confidently. Your words healing. Your presence calming. Your decisions clear. Your path certain. The version coming does not beg, does not chase, does not fear. That version knows its value, its authority, its purpose. Money follows value. Peace follows obedience. Favor follows faith. Victory follows trust. You trusted me when nothing showed. You believed me when nothing moved. Now watch closely. Acceleration starting. Doors unlocking. Barriers collapsing. What blocked you will bless you. What delayed you will promote you. Unexpected calls. Unexpected growth. Unexpected blessings. Unexpected honor. Prepare quietly. Move wisely. Speak carefully. Pray deeply. Because elevation requires maturity, requires discipline, requires humility. I am strengthening your patience, your character, your vision. This is not luck. This is alignment. This is destiny. This is promise. The tears ending, the nights lighter, the heart steady, the mind clear. You will soon recognize yourself, proudly standing, boldly shining. Comment ready. If you receive this transformation, this new season, like this message, if you feel the shift stronger, the faith deeper, subscribe now. Stay connected. More revelations, more confirmations. The best part is beginning, and you are chosen. Breathe slowly now. Feel my presence. I am closer than ever. This next chapter changes everything. Not slightly, but completely. You survived storms. You endured silence. You carried burdens. You stayed faithful. Now reward comes. Now harvest rises. Now answers appear. Now promises unfold. Your name rising. In right rooms. Before right people. At right time. You worried secretly. But I prepared openly. You feared failure. But I wrote victory. This transformation is permanent, is powerful, is undeniable. No more confusion. No more instability. No more fear. No more doubt. Your steps ordered. Your mind focused. Your heart healed. Your spirit strong. You will attract divine connections, healthy relationships, loyal partnerships. What broke you will bow to you. What hurt you will regret you. Not by revenge, but by growth. Not by anger, but by elevation. Your silent season. Built wisdom. Built patience. Built authority. Now speak boldly. Move confidently. Decide firmly. Trust completely. Because you know who walks with you, who fights for you, who blesses you. The abundance coming is not random. It is earned. It is aligned. Financial freedom rising. Stability increasing. Opportunities multiplying. Favor surrounding. You will testify about this shift, about this miracle, about this timing. People will ask how you changed, how you healed, how you succeeded. You will answer, God carried me. God shaped me. God elevated me. Stay disciplined. Stay prayerful. Stay focused. Stay grateful. The enemy tried to exhaust you, to distract you, to break you, but you remained, and that faith unlocked doors, moved mountains. This is confirmation. You are next. You are favored. You are rising. Do not shrink. Do not fear. Do not doubt. Do not quit. The crown fits. The seat waits. The table ready. The spotlight prepared. Walk into it without apology, without hesitation, without fear. Comment chosen. If this resonates, if you believe, if you receive, like this message, if your heart feels stronger, feels lighter, subscribe now. Stay connected. The journey continues. Greater ahead.